What's going on, guys? Today's video we are going to be we're finishing off the whole sway bar saga, the front. We're going to move to the back again. We're going to install the Euro Sport rear X brace. So we're going to do that to the rear, and here goes. Here's the instructions. Now looking at the car, I have everything taken out. I just got to take all this out, fold the seats down. But this is the Euro Sport rear X brace right here. This is model number 18025. It's for the Mark IV, Mark V, and the Mark VI Golfs. Alright, so it's basically gonna install right over here with a contact on all four sides. Well, two sides, 4 points, 4 mounting points. And here it is. After should look like this. Let's hope for a smooth install. It is right now about 9:30, so it should be a good weekend. Alright guys, so a quick update. I'm trickle charging my battery right now, taking advantage because I'm waiting around for my dad to help me pick out this. So he just came back with an M18 drill from Milwaukee because his other one, the Makita one, was not good enough. Wasn't strong. So I'm hoping this one is good enough because it's not drilling the hole for me. Alright, it's like kind of going midway and then it just stops. So now enough torque, hopefully it's good. And let's go ahead and just unbox this. Here it is. It comes with a nice tool bag, of course, and all I need right now, because I have everything else, is this drill right here. So I'm hoping this is strong enough. Has 550 pounds of peak torque, so I'm going to use it with their Milwaukee titanium drill bits. Alright, so test fitted. Top brackets are good, so I aligned everything right here in the middle, make sure everything is good. At the center punch right there. Okay, so here is the all the finished product. Yeah, install was took longer than expected, but as always, the riveting nuts, that was a problem for us for a little bit because we didn't have extra, but we made do. It works, it's fit, it's tight, and it's solid. I haven't really test driven it yet in terms of the first impressions, but I like it. I think it really fits the OEM type of look still. I like the black. Still have access to that pass-through. Still have access to the fold-down seats. It clicks on nicely, locks on. Okay. And would I recommend it? So far, I would recommend it based on, I would say, its price versus like the ECS product. I think ECS is a lot more money. So this is at $199 that I purchased for. I think it's okay. All right, and it fits with the subwoofer, the stealth box in the back. And overall, it gives me enough room still to fit my folding bike here. And allows the open hatch still. So the only thing is, I'll have to just do a driving impression. This, along with the rear sway bar, under here and the front sway bar and all that should give it a nice handling, give it a really good handling feel, I hope. All right, and that's about it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm not going to do a complete DIY for this one. I'll edit it out. It's going to be boring, but there's one really good tutorial that I actually referenced, and I think his name is Josh. I'll link his video in the description down below, but he also has an R32, and when I looked it up, his reference was really what made me think that this is a really smooth install. Okay, so on that note, if you guys have any questions in terms of what I thought I stopped. Anyway, if you guys have any other questions, definitely leave them in the description down below, or comment section down below. And thanks for watching.